Welcome to the training on web development by Nishant Infosys. In this session, we will be looking at arrays in JavaScript. Let us understand what arrays mean. Arrays in JavaScript are essential data structures used to store multiple values within a single variable. They are defined using square brackets and can hold various types of data, including strings, numbers, and even other arrays. For instance, to create an array named fruits containing 3 string elements, apple, banana, and cherry, you would use the syntax as shown. This declaration initializes the fruits array with 3 elements, each accessible by its index, 0 for apple, 1 for banana, 2 for cherry. Arrays provide a flexible way to manage collections of data in JavaScript, making them foundational for many programming tasks and applications. Now, let us see how we can access each element of an array. Accessing elements in JavaScript arrays involves using zero-based indexing, where the first element is at index 0. For example, in the fruits array, apple, banana, cherry, accessing fruits 0 returns apple, fruits 1 returns banana, and fruits 2 returns cherry. This indexing scheme means that to retrieve or manipulate specific elements within an array, you reference them by their numerical position relative to 0. This fundamental concept of indexing allows developers to efficiently work with and manipulate data stored in arrays, facilitating tasks ranging from simple data retrieval to complex algorithms and data processing operations. Modifying elements in JavaScript arrays can be done through various methods. To change the value of an existing element, you simply assign a new value to the corresponding index. For instance, fruits 1 is equal to mango updates the second element of the fruits array to mango. Adding elements is typically done using the push method, which appends new elements to the end of the array. For example, fruits.push orange adds mango to the end of the fruits array. Conversely, the pop method removes the last element from the array, which can be useful for managing dynamic lists of data. For instance, fruits.pop would remove orange from the fruits array in our previous example. These operations allow developers to dynamically manipulate array contents, adapting data structures as needed throughout the execution of a JavaScript program. This is the output of the previous example. Now, let us see how we can iterate through arrays with the help of for loop. Iterating through arrays in JavaScript using a for loop involves initializing an index variable, I typically starts at 0, setting a condition, I fruits.length, to ensure the loop iterates through each element until it reaches the array's length, and incrementing the index, I++, after each iteration to move to the next element. For example, the loop for let I is equal to 0, I fruits.length, I++, console.log, fruits, I, iterates through the fruits array, printing each element, fruits, I, to the console. This method offers precise control over array traversal, allowing developers to access specific elements by index and perform operations based on array data during each iteration. This is the output of the previous example. I hope you have understood the basics of arrays in JavaScript. We will be looking at the practical applications during our practical hands-on sessions.